Hello, my name is Rupananda. I am a registered pharmacist and I am having a MBA from University of Colombo. I have been working for one of the leading pharmaceutical companies in the country as a senior brand manager. Now, currently I am retired and engaged in pharmaceutical training. Then I found this very useful course at AIBS, which was really interesting on molecular biology techniques. What is good about this course offered by AIBS is it provides a very friendly learning environment, both in practical sessions as well as theory sessions. And when it comes to theory, everything was very clearly explained, and we were free to ask any questions to clarify our doubts. And when it comes to the lab training, it was a wonderful at Gene Labs. It was a wonderful session as there were all the modern equipments available, which is beyond reach for a normal person, and at the same time their teaching methods and their lecturing methods and were very friendly. And again, there we were given enough freedom to go ahead with our practicals, and we learned quite a lot to use the equipments as well as to extract DNA and things like that. I would recommend this course on molecular biology techniques to anyone who wants to do further studies or who wants to have it as additional qualification, so that you can go up in the career ladder.